Synonyms in English. 150 powerful synonyms to boost your English fluency and elevate your language skills. Flexible, adaptable, uncomfortable, uneasy, careless, reckless, slow, sluggish, hate, detest, courageous, valiant, deceptive, misleading, smart, intelligent, dumb, stupid, insecure, uncertain, confident, self-assured, optimistic, positive, cowardly, timid, kind, generous, launch, initiate, cheerful, merry, calm, approach, loud, noisy, carefree, unworried, bright, shiny, diverse, varied, static, inactive, efficient, productive, respectful, reverent, neglectful, careless, resilient, tough, ungrateful, thankless, clean, tidy, dirty, filthy, ambitious, aspiring, extravagant, wasteful, early, prompt, cry, weep, self, secure, clumsy, awkward, friendly, amiable, destroy, ruin, funny, humorous, expressive, eloquent, sad, downcast, cry out, finish, impartial, unbiased, fake, fraudulent, bright, radiant, fast, quick, describe, portray, help, assist, deep, profound, idea, thought, expensive, costly, cheap, inexpensive, heavy, massive, light, weightless, full, packed, empty, vacant, rich, affluent, poor, impoverished, important, significant, unimportant, insignificant, lazy, idle, active, energetic, creative, imaginative, maintain, sustain, like, admire, modern, current, famous, well known, unknown, unfamiliar, space, area, comfortable, cozy, bright, brilliant, quick, rapid, cold, icy, hardworking, diligent, wise, sage, foolish, silly, truthful, honest, dishonest, deceitful, sensible, rational, curious, inquisitive, playful, mischievous, unreliable, untrustworthy, reliable, dependable, shy, introverted, sociable, outgoing, lively, spirited, patient, forbearing, precious, cherish, strong, robust, ignorant, uninformed, honest, sincere, polite, well-mannered, rude, impolite, generous, charitable, opponent, rival, moral, ethical, optional, elective, show, display, delicate, fragile, horrible, unpleasant, convincing, persuasive, expressive, eloquent, unfaithful, disloyal, diligent, industrious, negligent, careless, grateful, thankful, fragile, breakable, neglectful, uncaring, friendly, cordial, panicked, fearful, gossiped, whispered. Artful, crafty, deceptive, misleading. Enormous, immense. Make, design, display, exhibit. Consider, contemplate. Car, vehicle. Amazing, incredible. Awful, dreadful. Rotten, contaminated. Hot, scorching. Capability, competence. Create, generate. Appreciate, cherish. Beautiful, attractive. But, although. Expand, grow. Effective, functional. Example, illustration. Fun, entertaining. Introverted, shy. Judge, conclude. Journey, trip. Money, catch. Opportunity, chance. Quality, excellent. Qualified, eligible. Yes, agreed. Adversity, calamity. Busy, active. Justify, defend. Sociable, outgoing. Peaceful, calm. Cut, slice. Hazardous, risky. Part, portion. Speechless, can't talk. Yellow skin, yellowish skin. Slow heart rate, sluggish heartbeats. Loss of appetite, no hunger. Vomiting, throwing up. Headache, head pain. Dry skin, rough skin. Weight loss, slimming down. Indigestion, upset stomach. Joint pain, joint discomfort. Smooth, uninterrupted. Trouble-free, easy. Painless, comfortable. Manageable, controllable. Piece of cake, easy. Direct, clear. Fundamental, basic. Clear cut, obvious. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more English grammar content. Your support helps us grow.